I showed my butt, like my literal butt, in front of everybody in college. So that was fun.
Hi, Pepsters! Welcome to another episode of Pep Exclusives. I'm your host for today. My name is Nico and syempre, meron naman tayong isang bonggang-bonggang bisita at makakachika natin for today, cornerstone talent and newbie singer. Syempre, kilala niyo siya sa gaya sa pelikula. Please welcome Ian Pangilinan.
Woo! Hello. Thanks for having me back.
Hello! Nice
Hey,
to have you back, Ian.
thank you.
Ayan,
Good to be
so,
back.
first, congratulations sa iyong new single. Ang
Thank
title ay
you. Thank you.
Katabi.
Mm-hmm.
How
Yeah,
does it feel na how does it feel na meron ka ng new song na perfect kasi
yeah.
parang medyo taglamig ngayon, 'di ba?
Yes, para sana naway lahat tayo may katabi, di ba? Ayun, it feels really great. It feels really good to feel na all of the work that all of these people behind the scenes have put in have finally come into fruition. So, yun, very thankful for having my first debut single. Yeah, under Cornerstone and Flip Music. Let's go.
Yun. Pero before this, meron ka ng ni-record na kanta, 'di ba, yung Kilometer Zero,
Yes.
yung
But
gaya sa
like I
pelikula.
think that one kasi was like released as part of the GSP soundtrack. So kumbaga it was not like, you know, my debut single. Yeah, so
Ito na
that one
talaga.
is like akin na akin, if that makes sense. So, yeah.
Yeah. So, is it always parang your dream to become a recording artist or a singer?
It's definitely been one of, like one of the things that you think about in the shower. Like ayun, like there are several songs throughout my childhood and me growing up na I love listening to, and one of them was like "What's Up" by Fernand Blanc. It's a song that goes like, and I said, hey yeah 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 hey yeah yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Basta like that song. And then I saw I think Pink perform it in like this huge arena, and I was like, oh, that's cool. In the end, parang it might be nice to be a singer. But then I think yung number one thing that actually made me want to be a singer talaga was parang realizing na my initial love, which is acting, like trying to like affect people, ganon. You can also achieve that same like affecting effect. I don't know. Affecting thing through songs. So
Oo.
yeah,
Parang you like to parang maka-affect nung feelings through visuals, through
yeah,
senses, parang gano'n.
yes, through different senses, definitely.
Yeah. So, kamusta yung experience recording it?
I mean, it was great because everybody was just super cooperative, super into it, super like happy to be working. Super dali lang makausap ng everybody, even down to our yung instrumentalist namin composer si Rap Sanchez. Um, yeah, he was like super ang bilis niya mag-respond. He was super happy to take all of these like suggestions, and then we were all just like playing around with it. And yeah, it was really fun making it. Everybody was just super happy with how it turned out too. Um, so yeah, like super happy that it's now out into the world.
Actually, marami ring fans na natuwa kasi parang you worked also with Nika Del Rosario who also parang
Uh,
had a song sa GSP. So,
mhm.
kamusta naman working with her this time around since magkatabaho talaga kayo?
Yeah, I mean, like, yung song niya actually was one of the things na super touched me during GSP and sort of inspired me to say yes to like making songs and like creating stuff on the side because yun, yung Tahanan was like one of my favorite songs. Na I actually listened to when I was studying for the part of Vlad sa Gaya sa Pelikula. So it was like one of my characters songs that I would listen to when I'm like reading the script, ganyan. Um, so yun, like being able to work with her is just a dream, and parang yeah, it's just like so much. It's so much fun to work with her because like whenever we'd send like a new sample, she'd always be like, "Oh my god, ang ganda, ganyan." And then ayun, just like I cannot stress enough how easy it is to work with them and everybody on the team because and it was almost like just playtime for us because parang we were all just like pitching ideas, like agreeing to try things out. So yeah,
Share ko
love
lang
you,
din,
Nika.
yung tahanan niya. Yung tahanan niya din yung favorite song ko from the whole OST. As in, nag-group siya sa akin after ng episode. Aside from TYL din ni Frankie, of course.
Yeah, yeah,
Ayan,
yeah.
so, given the chance, would you be open to writing your own music in the future?
Yeah, I mean for sure. Definitely, I would want to learn more about the intricacies of it because I don't want to go into it without giving my full effort, if that makes sense. But then I do want to study it first and like study the ins and outs of the intricacies of songwriting and creating a song because I just don't want to go into it like half-hearted. Para lang masabi na, oh, I made a song. You know what I mean? Parang I just want to do um, the best work I can before I actually start doing it. So, um, alam mo yun, parang I want to be I don't know what the word for it is. I guess like as sure of like what I'm doing when I actually do it. So
That's understandable. Parang kailangan meron ka rin naman talagang alam when
yeah,
you
yeah,
enter something like this. Pero,
yeah, exactly. Because
siguro,
no.
sure, go ahead.
No, I was just saying that it's basically like uh, the way I think about it is like acting for me is like interpreting a script, right? Like being able to like do your own thing with a script that is given to you. And me as a singer, it's sort of the same thing. Parang I'm given a song and then I interpret it the way I want to interpret it. So parang it's the equivalent of me as an actor trying to do script writing. Or like, me as a singer is trying to do songwriting. Parang ganun eh. Kaya I want to learn how to do it super properly first before I actually go into it. So yeah.
Pero as a creative person, where do you usually draw inspiration for your craft, or whether it's singing or acting or
Mm,
writing?
well, I usually draw inspiration from movies and series because yeah, it was my I don't know, it was my source of inspiration for a lot of things that I did like my entire life. So even with singing, I actually do draw a lot of inspiration from OSTs, tracks that are present in movies and are able to like make me feel a certain way during the movie or the series or like enhance this emotion that the movie is trying to do. Because like for example, like one of the biggest inspirations that I wanted to draw from and achieve is a super obscure reference, but then there's this anime called Anohana, where yung opening song is very very it's perfect because it's so nostalgic and it just makes you feel good. It makes you feel um, what is this? Like I guess like a sense of um, calmness and home that I super loved and wanted to achieve with like a lot of the music that I would like to put out in the future. If I would. And also Katabi, definitely. Um, so yun, parang that's the inspiration that I draw from, being able to evoke those emotions and being able to like, when you listen to something, it makes you feel some type of way. So yeah.
A lot of parang celebrities are doing parang singing on the side lang. Parang they'll release an album as a treat to their fans. Parang ikaw, for
Mhm.
you ba, are you seeing it parang more on a professional side, or parang more on a regular basis na mag-release ka ng albums na regular
Well,
or songs
definitely it's
perhaps?
gonna depend on my acting schedules. Because like acting talaga is my first love. and I will always devote my time and effort uh, to like if ever there's a movie that I love or like a series that I want to work on, that's gonna be the thing. But then definitely like music is also gonna be one of my priorities alongside that. Um, it's something that I do love doing and enjoy doing. And parang I've been singing like for God knows how long because I've been working in theater before I entered the camera work. So yun, I mean, I do have a love for music definitely. And, I like quick trivia. I was actually like a magister cantus in high school, which basically means like I was in charge of the music for like a theater org that
Mm.
we had. So I did arrangements, I did like piano, I did you know making all of these compositions for all of these songs. Um, so yeah, it's like going back to an old love of mine. Even though I have changed, especially in my college years, it's definitely going to be something that I will like love to do, and like love to give to um, the people who support me because I just want to give them some kind of like songs to be able to like hold on to be able to like feel whatever they want to feel with. So yeah.
Speaking of which, parang yung song mo Nakatabi, sakto pa ni-release mo bago magpasko, 'di ba? Ang lamig-lamig ngayon, tapos
Yeah.
lahat naghahanap ng katabi. Parang ikaw ba, at some point in your life, parang did you ever feel that way na parang naghahanap ka din ng katabi?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the fans are gonna hate me for this, but then I'm a very career person. I'm a very like alam mo yun, I prioritize career more than anything because parang this is in one of the movies that I love. It's called Before Sunrise. Before Sunrise. Before Sunset Before Midnight. Yeah, Before Sunrise, I think. Sorry, it's a trilogy, and I just remember them as the Before trilogy. But anyway, the first the line goes something like, "Some people would want to grow up with kids and family, and that's gonna make them happy. But then I'd rather grow up knowing that I was really good at something." Parang, yeah, parang that's what I always prioritized in life. But then, alam mo yun, there comes a point rin na you sort of wonder, like, how nice it would be to just have somebody like with you um, to like pursue your dreams with. Kasi the way I see the song is like, parang you have somebody with you as you go through life. Imbes na, hey, look, that's my dream. And then you're just gonna take whoever with you. Parang masayang may katabi with you in life while you like pursue that dream that you want to pursue. So, yun. As for kung sino yun, let's see.
Oo nga. Dadating siya kung dadating siya, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila.
Oo.
Pero nakakatuwa lang din namang isipin na parang your song also parang starting to serve as a theme song na ng couples ngayon. Parang do you ever think
Aww.
na makakagawa ka ng ganun?
Yeah, that's really cute actually. Like that's one of the things that people also like told me. And then ayun, it's just really nakakatuwa. Sorry, ang phone niyo. It's just
It's
nakaka
fine.
nakakatuwa kasi siya na
Uh,
na-achieve niya yung ganun. Kasi um because like at the end of the day, that's what we want to achieve. Para evoke this feeling of nostalgia of like feeling like there's somebody that we can home to. So ayun, I really hope na during especially now na ang lamig ng season, I hope that the song helps you guys feel warm and at home and feel like there's somebody helping you. So, yeah.
Ito naman, mga questions more on your musical side. Siguro, na-mention mo na kanina yung mga
Sure.
ilang mga songs na pinapakinggan mo and Pink
Mhm.
then is one of them. Pero aside from Pink, meron ka pa bang ibang musical influences? And bakit
Yeah,
siguro?
I love Chance the Rapper. Like always. Like the two I always mention is probably like Chance the Rapper and Lizzo because like their music is sort of like I would say yung genre is not the same, obviously, because like Katabi is super folk, and so is Kilometer Zero, right? But then, um, in terms of yung messaging and yung general idea of like their songs, yung lyrics mismo, um, that's the kind of thing that I do want to do. I do want to be able to create music that makes people feel like they can achieve their dreams, be able to feel like they can get up in the morning, feel like there's somebody with them supporting them um, every step of the way. Hence, Katabi. So yung dalawang yun are like my biggest music influences because uh, ayun, parang like whenever I would need like inspiration or motivation or like I need like something to help me get through the day. I listen to those two because their music is so uplifting. It's so wonderful. It's so I just love it. I had those songs on the beat for like the longest time. Uh, like post college, that post college like what am I gonna do with my life stage? I had them on repeat. So yeah.
I was about to ask nung na-mention mo si Chance the Rapper kung mag-rap, marunong ka ding mag-rap. Why not, diba?
uh,
Tignan natin.
well, maybe sa susunod na.
And since you mentioned then your current music is more on the folk pop side, siguro
Yes.
is it something na you plan on pursuing or a genre you plan on pursuing as a musician
Yeah.
or meron ka pang parang gustong i-explore pa?
Yeah, I mean, like I love folk music, which is parang a lot of what I listen to in the local scene. Um, I don't know if you would consider Ben and Ben folk, but then medyo leaning towards that genre rin kasi sila sometimes with like a lot of their songs. But also like Ransom Collective, also like basta like a bunch of these local artists that I love listening to. So I do love the genre definitely, and I think kasi with yung sorry, I'm gonna talk technicals. But then yung timbre ng boses ko, yung tunog niya, is really mas pang mas pang that kind of like song,
Mm.
like chill, ganyan. But then in my ideal world, I'm gonna be dancing like BTS and singing my song. Yeah.
Oo nga, baka bigla kang mag-release ng
May
pop song tapos
pakya,
sumasayaw ka pa.
ibaladi. Ganun.
Why not, 'di ba? Matutuwa yung mga fans for sure. Pero as a singer, what's your biggest dream trip? Gusto mo yung nabarok ako.
It's your biggest crumb. No, I think it would definitely be like, uh, like I'm just gonna go back to like what I said, yung singing in that audience, it's just like everybody in the audience is singing along to the song. I want to be able to do that like someday, if ever I have a like arena filled with people. They're just gonna be like singing songs with me. Like everybody's sumasabay sa mga kanta. So that's the dream. It's simple. Not like actually, it's not simple because not a lot of people are able to achieve that. It's like it's not anything as big as like owning a mansion, whatever, because of my music. Just being
Yung
connected
ibang
to
singer,
people. So, yeah.
ah, yung ibang singers parang dream nila palagi pag sinasabi, Araneta, ganyan. Naisip mo ba yun?
Yeah, I mean, like, why not? Why not, right? If ever things push through and happen in the next couple of months, and then we get to release more songs, and then we get to, I mean, get more supporters, then definitely, why not? It's definitely something that I would love to do. So,
Naku, meron siyang mga hints na magre-release pa siyang maraming songs. Good luck, Pepsters, sa mga fans. May excite tayo
who knows?
dyan. Pero mamaya ko na yan tatanungin. My next question is, actually, yun na pala yung next question ko. Kung meron ka bang plan mag-release ng parang an EP or maybe a full-length album in the coming months?
Let's just say, maraming upcoming things in the next couple of months. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Yun na lang.
So, kasama ba dyan ang music video ng Katabi?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Follow me on all my socials and maybe you'll find out.
Oo nga. Abangan nyo na lang din sa Cornerstone Instagram, sa mga socials ng Cornerstone.
Oh,
Lalabas yan doon for sure. Pero isa, eto naman, aside from music, parang isa sa mga pinagkaabalahan mo the past few weeks is
uh,
vlogging. So, kamusta ang experience mo as a vlogger, as a celebrity vlogger?
yeah, I'll be honest with you. Like the past couple of weeks have just been like me trying to recover and catch up with all the work that I need to do. Because parang very new experience everything after Gaya sa Pelikula. How successful it was. Thankfully, like now we're on Netflix. A lot of stuff happened in the past couple of months. So like this past January has just been me trying to catch up with everything that's going on. I'm just relaxing, catching up on series. Because like February onwards, I'm probably gonna die. Like it's gonna be like filled with so much work. I'm just I'm just like taking advantage of the calm before the storm because I'm probably gonna go crazy.
Maraming Ian Pangilinan content ang aabangan ng mga pampang fans. Yan
Let's see
yung
if
mga
I'm
nasa
gonna
Twitter
I
na.
react to social media. Let's see.
So, since you mentioned GSP na rin, so a lot of fans are asking for a season 2. What's your thoughts about it?
Yeah,
Parang, ikaw ba?
yeah, guys, ang rami kong babalikan na na sagot. Ang rami kong ibabalik na ano? Ang rami kong tanong na ibabalik ko lang ang sagot na to. Basta abangan nyo sa next couple of months. Ang hirap ng Tagalog. Sorry na.
Ang hirap, no? Ang hirap hindi magsabi ng mga detalye, no? Para sa mga fans. Abang-abang na lang tayo dyan, mga fans. Ito naman, what do you miss on the set?
Everybody there. Everybody there. Kasi everybody super just got along. And, everybody was really just here to make the series as nice as possible. Like from our directors, JP, our co-director, the beautiful Miss Shatko, to our PD, Simao, to Pege, to, like all of these people who were involved in production. Sila JP, sila Bena, sila Tin, Miss Army. Alam mo, like everybody was just like in it to win it. Everybody was just in it to like make it as beautiful as possible. And like like back then when we were making it, like nobody knew about the project. Well, like a small group knew about the project, and like we didn't know if it was going to be successful. We didn't know how it was going to turn out. So yeah, those days where we were just like doing our best and seeing where it goes, but I'm gonna miss it. Those people. I mean, like I'm gonna see them. It's not like they're gonna like migrate anywhere, but being able to work with them again is something that hopefully we can do again.
Pero grabe yung growth, no? Parang wala pang 1 year. Ganun ka agad.
Yeah, let's see.
Tinaas.
Yeah, as in like, I was talking with one of my friends before. It was like we had this joke. Now one of our friends, because I had was significantly more followers than me. Yeah. And then parang he wasn't even into like acting or like singing or anything like that. He was just like working in corporate. Right? And then, they would always tease me like, "Oh my God, Ian, this guy has like more followers than you. What are you doing with your life? I thought you were supposed to be an actor." Then I was like, "I hate you." But in a span of like how many months pa lang, like we've already amassed like, a super beautiful following, beautiful support for the show, which is amassed like millions of views, and now we're on Netflix. So it's just crazy, and just super thankful for the journey that was there.
Doon sa friendly Ian, nasa Netflix na siya, ikaw wala pa. Diba?
It's so funny. It was so funny.
So aside from your songs or maybe an album na may hindi natin sure kung lalabas pa this year. Meron ka ring teleserye na gagawin, 'di ba? So, how are you excited gaano ka ka-excited na magbalik in front of camera
Um, I don't know. I don't know how much info I'm allowed to
to share?
present. Basta, hindi ko alam. Basta happy ako. I'm excited for it. And yeah.
Wag daw muna yung teleserye. Basta, good luck na lang sa fans na aabang ng teleserye. Meron tayong may phone in message tayo dito. Ano na lang yung mga projects na nilolook forward mo for the rest of the year na yung pwede mong i-share?
Wala. Basta maraming mangyayari. Pero parang bawal ko pag-usapan. Basta abangan nyo na lang. Marami yan. I love you all.
Pero on a personal siguro parang goal for yourself na parang siguro may it be more time for family or travel, ganyan. Meron ka bang ganun na gusto ma-achieve for 2021?
More music soon, definitely. More, at least, order. But then, that's one of the goals, definitely. Because the support has been like very good. And we're very thankful to all of the fans who support me. So, and other than that, I wanna be more fit because at the end of the day, as much as we're all like, take it at your own pace, take it at your own pace, like but you don't have to pressure yourself to look super fit, good all the time. Of course, it's something that I would want to do that, being able to with the hell. Di ko alam kung paano
I
ko
watched- I watched your vlog. I watched your vlog. Sabi mo nga dun sa vlog mo na parang walang abs tapos yun yung biggest insecurity mo.
Ang hirap kasi. Ang hirap. Okay, like side note, so like I really appreciate na the fans like bring like food at home, right? Like I do, I love it. But then at the same time, like hindi na kami nauubusan ng dessert dito sa bahay. So like ang hirap pag magpa-abs, alam mo yun, parang kahit mag-workout ako. But then, Gia, my beautiful handler, may pinag-usapan na tayo ngayon na hopefully yun ang magiging unang step sa ating road to abs journey. So I love you. I love you.
Ayan. Good luck sa iyong fitness journey. At ngayon,
I
syempre,
know!
So, ito na yung tinatawag naming part na Only in Pep. May questions kami hinanda dito na mga tanong ng mga fans sa iyo. Nagpa-ask Ian on Pep kami on Twitter. Flash namin on screen yung mga questions nila. Ayan. First question. Ayun. If there's a chance that you could perform your song Katabi ni Ian, anywhere in the world, where would it be and why?
Probably in my hometowns of my mom and dad. Because parang like there are a bunch of supporters of Kaiser sa Bicol and Nueva Ecija. So I just wanna give a shout out to them right now. Thank you for all of the support and thank you for all the messages that you've been sending, especially to my parents. Super, appreciate it. So I hope that I can be able to sit there and be able to meet all of you guys over these provinces. So yeah.
In fairness. Promise wala, no? Ayan. Tanong ni @Lepidop Terrace. Favorite song or line from Spring Awakening? For those na hindi nakakalam, Spring Awakening is parang musical or
Yes.
Tama ba?
But I was part. I was not sure to go for Spring Awakening. I showed my butt, like my literal butt, in front of everybody in college. So that was fun. But anyway, my favorite line or music lyric would probably would say song na lang. Song na lang. Kasi I can't think of a specific line. Or like, uh, yung Mama Who Boy. Specifically because, like, sa lahat ng mga sequences namin in that run through of Shinogi, that was the one I was most entertained by. Kasi it had like choreography, it had like harmonies and like the girls like that in our production in that musical were like amazing. Like all shout out to all of you guys. Dina, Alexa, Marla, everybody. I love you all.
Oh, ayan, nasagot ni Ian. Medyo hindi ako familiar. Pasensya na, guys. Oh, ang tanong ni at Dubu underscore pancakes. What sea creature would you be and why? Gusto mo yun? Napaka-random
I
ng
was like,
question,
to
di ba?
like answer this, and like, cause like there was this one interview before na of Beyonce, and then she was like, "What animal would you be?" And then she was just like, "Oh no, I would love to be a whale." It was just so weird. But anyway, I will answer this seriously. I would want to be an orca. Yeah. Um,
A what? Sorry.
Convoluted, like one of the stuffed toys in the background of Casa Película was an orca. And I don't know, man. Like ever since Casa Película, I just love orcas. Like they just they just give me life. Orcas.
Oh, ayan. Next question tayo. Hindi ako familiar dun sa ano.
Orca,
Ang
killer
tanong ni
whales.
Ray... okay. Oh, ang tanong ni Ray Pau Shopau underscore. If you are given a chance to live someone else's life, whose life would it be and why?
I would want to live this like Timothy Chalamet. Like his life is my dream life. Like he entered high school, arts high school na, and then he also studied arts in college, started communities, and then did his indie through community. Like if I would have like a perfect life, that would be it, you know. But and the kind of movies he does is the kind of movies that I want to do. So yeah, maybe I can Freaky Friday with him one day.
Oh, eto, next question ni Fan. At Payasoism. So, medyo mahirap ako magbasa. Do you see yourself doing more BL team series or films? What legacy are you aiming for as an actor?
I mean, if the script and theme is great, then why not, right? But uh, I'm here to make great stories and great characters. So if the material is good, then why not? So as for yung next film, yeah, like I said, like I want to make great movies. So yeah,
Next question natin from a fan. Sa, syempre, Shirtless Pinoy. Kamusta naman tayo dyan, Shirtless Pinoy? Would you date a creepy fan a la fangirl movie type of creepy? Have you seen Fangirl?
yeah, I have it. Um, I mean, I don't want to judge anybody just because these. I would have to get to know you first. So, and you'll see.
Yun naman dapat kilalanin muna. Pero nakakatawa yung ano no, ay yung Twitter ano ni Shirtless Pinoy, naloka ako doon sa paag. Gulat ako. Anyway,
Wow.
next question. Sabi ni at Pancake. If you had a warning label, what would yours say?
Do not mess with me when I'm cranky. As in, promise. Like when I'm cranky in the morning, because I'm super not a moment. And I'm also cranky when I'm sick. When I get cranky, I'm so, as in, sorry na sa lahat ng mga na-experience ng pagka-cranky ko.
Normal yan, no? Kapag evening person, tapos ginising ka ng maaga.
I can't. I would only do like mornings if it's a hike because I like hiking. I love hype.
Or work?
But ito yung mga sito.
Next question. Sabi ni at Trixie Sunset, kung na-meet mo parents mo when they were at your age, sa tingin mo magiging friends kayo?
Hindi. Sobrang hindi. Ano yung mama kasi yung kung ano, type A person na as in, like, I will get honors, I will get ganyan, ganyan. Tapos, as in, ano siya, like, if you get in her way, like, she will, like, hold you. So, parang, ako ang nag-social. So, I feel like hindi kami magkakatalap ng dad ko. And then, yung dad ko naman, he was like a teenager. He was, like, super playboy. Like, tipong, alam mo yun, party every night, like, girls. You know, ganun. So, I'm like, my ideal, oh, okay, that's a lie. I do sometimes get back to the I used to like party. But then, I don't know, I feel like my dad would be too wild and crazy for me to get along. So,
In fairness, sa mom and dad mo, no, opposites do attract talaga. Para medyo magkaiba sila ng side of the spectrum.
yung dad ko lang kasi yung kayang, ano, ikutuin yung mom ko and then para kumalma siya. Alam mo yun? As a type. So, anyway,
Ayan, may question pa. Spontaneity or stability? And why?
spontaneity. Spontaneity. Like, I don't know, man. Like, we're only on this earth for so long. Parang, that moments, I will allow myself to feel it. I will allow myself to feel whatever I want to feel. Parang, okay, parang if you, like, stability is good. And then, parang, for me kasi life is meant to be crazy moments that make life different.
At saka pag palagi mo yung iniisip, parang it puts you on a, parang on a box. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Parang hindi mo mailalabas yung creativity mo. O
Yeah,
yan, next
exactly.
question tayo. What's your definition of happy? Medyo bigat naman ang tanong na to.
Okay, parang, what is yeah. I guess like, my definition is being able to do what I love, but also like do good. So I like and you know, parang how I envision it is like being able to make us, or even just like comics na parang people have, and like I affect people, giving them that's how I do good in the world, I guess.
Ayan, next question Ayan, next question tayo. Sabi ni At, is this posable? 2 years ago, if you were given the chance to see where you are today, would you change anything?
Ah, I would say no. Except if I could like start studying arts. But then parang like this is something that me and my mom always talk about. Like she was always like, aren't you happy that you went to college and like, high school so that you build your values and yeah, parang develop that sense of self before you go to this artistry of like people uh, all around you being able to like support you and also, yeah, it might develop a weird sense of self if you're not if you haven't figured out yourself yet, I think that effort. And my argument was always like, but then if I started earlier, I could have had like like maybe a bigger career by now. But then the more I think about it, the more I think that my mom was right. I think the reason why I'm able to be as grateful and as good ethic and as as kind despite all of the stress is because of all of these like choices that she made me do. Like, from school, talk to me whenever there's, everything like all of my fears about like wanting to be an artist come up. All over those years, I really have spent not really working as an actor. Parang it was the thousand step journey to get to the goal. The thousand step journey to make it to the starting. Yeah, I think that's what I was trying to say. Yeah. Sorry.
Naintindihan naman na siguro ng mga ano yan, mga fans at ng mga pepsters yan.
Yeah.
At saka, our experiences is what makes us what we are now, diba? So,
Yes, exactly. Parang
yan. Next
everything
question.
that they
Ay, na.
like that may have not been as as easy or as you think na parang it was super like not a big thing in your life. All of that led to where you are now. So yeah.
Meron pa yata tayo next question. Do you have any film recommendations? Ano pinapanood mo ba ngayon?
Well, the number one for my oh because for me, Lady Bird is like the perfect mix of it's well like it's like good on the technical side. It's wonderful on the acting side. It's wonderful on the story side. It's not too, it's not too highfalutin. Um, it's not too crazy to like process. And it's a very simple story, and it's a simple story that like a lot of us can relate to and understand. But also, it was done so well na you really feel like after watching it, you have learned something, if that makes sense. So yeah, Ladybird, always. Just if you haven't watched it, just watch it. Yeah.
Panoorin ko ngayon, hindi ko pa siya napapanood. Nasa Netflix ba yan? Gusto mo yun?
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Check natin sa Netflix. Next question. Gusto mo yung may mga aso? If given a chance, sabi ni Soft Pangs, if given a chance, what song from the GSP OST you want to cover?
Ride home easily. In addition to Tahanan, it was one of the songs that I kept on listening to while I was studying the script. So, yeah. I mean, I would want to make a cover soon. I hope I can.
Abangan natin sa YouTube channel ni Ian yan. We'll see. Tsaka ang hirap pumili doon, lahat ng mga songs ang gaganda ha, in fair. Meron pa ba
Yeah.
tayong question dyan? Eto, sabi ni at Being Me Justin, what is the most useless talent you have?
I can mimic the sound of an opening door. Watch. I'm opening the door. No.
Hindi ko kinaya yun. Okay.
Yeah.
Oo nga, tama. Last, ito na yung last. Ay, isa pa daw.
Tama na.
Bago natin ito itanong. May nag-request
Wala.
isa pa.
Maliit na yung door na time.
Gusto ko yung meron pa siyang talaga, yung nagbubukas ka talaga na gesture. Ayan, last question. Any thoughts on venturing Broadway? Tanong ni at Love Brusca.
I mean, definitely, like, why not, right? Like, I always like say naman why not when it comes to like all of these questions. But then, I think kasi with like my skill set, I'm really more. I don't know, man. Like, I just feel like I belong on the camera more than I do on the stage. If because I have seen like theater actors who like blew me away, and I have seen camera actors who also blew me away. And in terms of like the kind of studying that I've been doing, it's really more like I feel like I can shine most on camera because like theater like sort of intimidates me sometimes. Parang I'm amazed, but also like sometimes I wonder if I can achieve the kind of skill that they have. Parang ganun.
Ang hirap din talaga ng theater, no? Kasi
Yeah.
halo-halo doon, may singing, may acting, tas may dancing din, di ba?
Everything is big. Like you know what I mean? It's so big in theater. And like just me as a person and like how I tend to like learn better. Yeah, I just prefer the smallness of the camera. Anyway, yeah.
Pero eto, curious question. Between singing and theater, syempre yung acting na yung una mong pipiliin.
Yeah.
Between dun sa two na yun, ano yung pipiliin mo?
I would say interesting. Assuming that I can still act, right? Like I would say singing. Because singing for me is like there's so much fun things that you can do with it. Like you can have this whole production value thing. You can explore different genres ganyan. Um, and if I can't act anymore, then I'd go to theater because I'd still wanna act. You know what I mean? Um,
Hmm.
but then, because like the thing that really like the thing that really I hesitate about in theater is yun nga yung pagka like big na and like yung pagka parang you imagine like you memorize everything, you have to be pitch perfect on everything, you have to like learn your blocks, ganyan. It's like a marathon na is very intimidating if you want to be the best of the best because there are so many elements that you know what I mean, parang it's scary, parang ganun.
Oo, ang hirap nga nun. Ang dami mong tatandaan. Lyrics, bawat galaw, bawat eksena,
And,
kailangan tandaan.
yeah.
Pero, ayun na yung last question natin. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin tatapusin tong interview na wala tayong ano dyan, pa-sample, di ba, ng Very Very Light. So, I'm
Sure.
giving this spotlight to you na. Can you, para sa sample for our
Yeah,
fans.
sure,
Yay!
sure. There you go. I hope you hear it. There we go. You guys mundo ko'y tumigil mula nang ika'y masulayapan. Di na malimutan ang ngiti. Ito lamang ang nais Thank you. Also, I messed up the
Yeah.
lyrics. I switched it. Sorry.
That's fine. Para na ring naharani yung ating mga pepsters sa mga nakikinig dyan. Thank you so much for that treat, Ian.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you for having me.
So, ayan, ito naman, if you want to promote anything, your projects, I'll give you this time not to promote
Mga
your
projects
projects,
na
your
bawal
song.
ko pang pag-usapan. Ayun, I'm
Your
just gonna
song
promote.
muna.
Yeah, like my song, Katabi, please stream it on all these music platforms, Deezer, iTunes, Spotify. Thank you for all the support so far. We have been on several playlists, so thank you. Support Guys sa Pelikula on Netflix. You can also follow me on all of my social media handles at Ian Pangilinan _ on most of them, and at Ian Pangilinan Official on YouTube. A lot of content is going to be coming up soon, especially on the YouTube channel. So, yeah, I hope you guys follow me.
True. Thank you so much, Ian. Abangan natin yung mga projects ni Ian in the coming months. Marami silang ganap na hindi pa pwedeng i-share. Abangan na lang natin yan, di ba?
Yeah. Ay, mga ganap
Antayin
na
na lang natin.
yeah.
Thank you for watching, Pepsters. Please follow us also on our social media accounts at Pep Alerts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Tapos meron din kaming Pep Media Box on YouTube, pep.ph on Viber, and Kumu. Follow nyo lang kami dyan. Ako din, meron akong Instagram and Twitter at Mr. Nico Tuasa nakasulat dyan. Kung gusto nyo lang naman ako i-follow, diba? That is all. Thank you so much. Bye!
Bye-bye!